Naghahanap ka ba ng property na hindi bahayin? Narito ang Eagle Crest Villa Dagupan matatagpuan sa Bonuan, Bukid, Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Ano ba ang meron sa Eagle Crest Villas? Number 1, location, 2 minutes drive to Bonuan Beach, near McDonald, Pure Gold, CSI Bonuan, 1 ride away from schools like University of Pangasinan, CDD, STI, University of Luzon. Number 2, price 12,000 pesos per square meter. Sa real estate normal lang ang pagtaas ng value nito, kaya samantalahin habang wala pang price increase. Number 3, development, Eagle Crest Villa, a residential haven along National Highway and City Road, leading to Tondaligan Beach, secured with gates and full parameter fence. Eagle Crest is devoted to giving your family an ideal environment for modern living, providing you with amenities for life of leisure and enjoying, also ideal as retirement home. Features: imposing 2.62 meters along the property perimeter wall, paved concrete road system, curb and gutter, underground drainage system, with electric and internet line like PLDT, converged fiber, landscapes areas, proximate to Dagupan's famous row of seafoods and resto and Tondaligan Beach. Ready individual title. Mag-invest na habang bata ka pa, napakagandang ipamana sa mga anak. For site visit, you may contact our accredited real estate agent.